Namaste. I welcome you all in the morning assembly of St. Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township, Pinjore. Today is 23rd October 2020. First of all, let's have a look on Panchang. So I would request Acharya Sunil Dutt Gautam to tell us about today's Panchang. Namaste, sir.
नमस्ते। आज के पंचांग के अनुसार विक्रमी संवत 2077, शक संवत 1942 आज आश्विन मास के शुक्ल पक्ष की सप्तमी तिथि है। आज का नक्षत्र उत्तराषाढ़ा। आज का योग धृति है। कार्तिक मास के यदि प्रविष्टे की बात की जाए तो आज 7वां प्रविष्टा घटित हो रहा है। मुस्लिम माह रबी उल अव्वल की आज 5 तारीख है। सप्तम नवरात्र को माँ कालरात्रि की पूजा की जाती है। इस बार कुछ संदेहास्पद स्थिति बन रही है कि अष्टमी कब है। घटिका मात्रा पयोदय की ग्राह्या, अर्थात यदि एक घटी मात्र भी हो तब भी हमें अष्टमी तिथि सूर्य उदय की तिथि के अनुसार ही लेनी चाहिए। उदय व्यापनी नवमी युता आश्विन शुक्ल अष्टमी को यह दुर्गा अष्टमी कहा जाता है। यहाँ अष्टमी सूर्योदय अंतर कम से कम एक घटी व्यापनी अवश्य होनी चाहिए। 23 अक्टूबर 2020 को विद्यमान अष्टमी के साथ सूर्योदय के समय सप्तमी तिथि का संपर्क होने से यहाँ दुर्गा अष्टमी को नहीं मनाया जा सकता, क्योंकि यह व्रत सप्तमी युता तिथि में ग्राह्य नहीं है, अर्थात अष्टमी 24 तारीख की है। आप सभी को सप्तम नवरात्र की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। माँ कालरात्रि हम सभी पर कृपा दृष्टि बनाए रखे। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir, for sharing today's Panchang. Now it's time to start the prayer. I would request you all to join your hands and close your eyes for the prayer.
All classes be ready for Gayatri Mantra.
भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
All classes be ready for prayer.
जयतु विवेकानंद योगेवर युगाचार्य यतिराज।
जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज। जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज।
जय वीरेश्वर जय शिव शंकर जय 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 महाराज।
जय वीरेश्वर जय शिव शंकर जय वीरेश्वर जय
युगाचार्य यतिराज। मोहतिमिरहर प्रखर दिवाकर उदित जगत हितकाज। मोहतिमिरहर प्रखर दिवाकर उदित जगत हितकाज। तमनाशत जड़ चित्त जगवत चेतन सकल समाज। तमनाशत जड़ चित्त जगवत चेतन सकल समाज। मूर्त विवेक विराग ज्ञान बल। 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 त्रिभुवन के सरताज। मूर्त विवेक विराग ज्ञान बल। त्रिभुवन के सरताज। सकल विद्या भ्रांति हरो प्रभु। सकल विद्या भ्रांति हरो प्रभु। चित में करो विराज। जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज। जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज।
अस्तो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। ओम शांति 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 ओम। Be ready for national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग। तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक। जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की जय। वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम।
Now it's time to hear a motivational story. Today's story will be presented by Mrs. Poonam. The title of the story is A King's Painting. Let's hear the story. Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents and my dear students. Today I am going to share a wonderful story about a king and a painter. The title of the story is A King's Painting. Once upon a time, there was a kingdom. The king there only had one leg and one eye, but he was very intelligent and kind. Everyone in his kingdom lived a happy and a healthy life because of their king. One day, when the king was walking through the palace hallway, he saw the portraits of his ancestors. He thought that one day, when his children will walk in the same hallway, they'll remember all the ancestors through these portraits. But the king did not have his portrait painted. Due to his physical disabilities, he wasn't sure how his painting would turn out. So, he invited many famous painters from his and other kingdoms to the court. The king then announced that he wants a beautiful portrait made of himself to be placed in the palace. So, any painter who would make his painting will be rewarded. All the painters began to think that the king has only one leg and one eye. How can this picture be made very beautiful? So, all of them started making excuses and politely declined to make a painting of the king. But suddenly, what happened? One painter raised his hand and said, "I'll make a very beautiful portrait of you, which you will surely like." The king became very happy. He said he was very curious. The king gave him the permission, and the painter started drawing the portrait of him. He then filled the drawing with paints. Finally, after taking a long time, he said the portrait was ready. All the courtiers were very curious and nervous, thinking, what if the king didn't like the painting and gets angry? But when the painter presented the portrait, everyone in the court, included the king, left stunned. The painter made a portrait in which the king was sitting on the horse on the one leg side, holding his bow and aiming the arrow with his one eye closed. The king was very pleased to see that the painter has made a beautiful portrait by cleverly hiding the king's disabilities. The king gave him a great reward. So, the moral of the story is, we should always think positive of others and ignore their deficiencies. We should learn to focus on the good things instead of trying to hide weaknesses. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing such an inspirational story with us. Now, let's know about today's word and sentence from Divyanshi of 3rd A. Namaste, Divyanshi.
Namaste, I am Divyanshi of class 3rd A from St. Vivekanand Millennium School. The word of the day is pragmatic, which means facts instead of speculation. I repeat my word, pragmatic, which means facts instead of speculation. The synonym is logical and the antonym is impractical. Now, the sentence of the day is, the king was a pragmatic ruler who always sought the sensible advice of his advisor. I repeat my sentence. The king was a pragmatic ruler who always sought the sensible advice of his advisor. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you, Divyanshi. Now, it's time to wish our birthday students. Today is the birthday of Mannat Sharma of 6th B, Soumya Ranjan of 9th B, Anuj Dhiman of 9th B. Let's wish them by singing the birthday song. I would request you all to sing with us and bless our students.
सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना, तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना। तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की, तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Our principal sir, vice principal ma'am, teachers and parents all are giving their blessings on your birthday. Once again, I wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you. That's it for today. Have a great day. Namaste.